It's often debated whether machines will take over human translators without hampering the quality. Where machines can work faster and can store infinite database memories, humans have the superpower of thinking to give out accurate and readable translations. What if they both can be combined to form a Hubulator? There will be a global database cloud comprising as many translation memories as possible, including those being created and those created so far. This cloud will be updated and accessed by language experts on Earth. This global translation memory will also be converted into portable microchips, which will assist the interpreters by simultaneously transcribing the source language speech to target language text, thereby cutting out the extra effort. Thus, the future lies where the creation and the creator work together.